Wah. Saat pertama kali makan ini loh.
Iya, karena kita nggak ada tempe di sini. Cancangnya nih.
Wah.
Lah.
Tadi pagi ya istri saya masak ya. Saya bilangnya pasti nggak enak. Ternyata enak amat terus sama sambalnya. Putus manis lagi. Teman-teman, ayo. Soalnya kan suka makan seafood kan. Tapi hari ini ya sama makan tempe ya. Pakai sambal itu ya. Salah satu hari ini saya nggak mau makan seafood lagi. Mau makan ini harus udah kenyang. Ya benar.
Aku di mana aku cari tempe sejak hari makan.
Enak. Hidungnya tapi tahu ya.
Show me lah.
Terus manis lagi. Wah. Enak.
Cukup naik deh. Tempat deh.
Semangat dia makan, semangat. Makan Indonesia, enak kawan.
Doyo.
Enak semua makan Indonesia tuh.
Oishi desu ka? Kore namanya tempe goreng. Tempe apa?手で食べるできるね。막 밥을 팔아. 밥이 있어. 버거 같은 생겼어. ini tidak ada di Korea.
Sih, tapi pakai nasi. Korea nggak ada. Kata dia.
그냥 밥 먹는 거 너무 그러지. 햄버거 같은.
밥이 달다. 아니 맛있어.
Enak.
근데 잘 어울린다. 와, 부르는 게 얘부터 한국에서 생각날 거.
Pecel lele.
Pecel lele. Oh my god, that's huge.
The
Oh, wow.
sambal bawang, yeah?
Sambal bawang. This is a spicy one.
A little bit spicy.
Normally they're like of half of that size.
We never had a lele.
Pertama
Never had
dicobain
it. Well,
lele.
you've gone for the
Goreng.
biggest size possible.
Good.
And you've got sambal and also sambal bawang.
Mana cantik lagi.
Okay. I will follow you.
So literally you get one of these like pieces,
Yeah.
just like rip it out.
Very small piece.
Okay, so look, that's how I'll do it. Just have a look. Oh, it's really hot. Okay, I'll get a
Really
piece
hot.
like this. Get a bit of sambal, bit of rice, mix it all together.
Okay, I see.
Mmm.
I'm sorry, that is really good.
This is what you would see on the side road. You would see these like cartoon graphics of fish
Yeah, with the whiskers.
with whiskers, but you never wanted to go for it.
No, always looked a little bit too much for me, but actually, I must say, I would definitely get this on the side of the road.
So normally I order about 6 of them at a time.
Really?
Yeah. But imagine if it was like half a size.
What does it normally cost you in Indonesia to order one of these at like a wara?
10k,
No.
50p.
No.
Yeah.
Do you feel like your standard Londoner who hasn't been to Indonesia would go for this if they didn't know the context of Bali or Indonesia?
Probably not.
Yeah, I don't think so either, but I think it's
Best lah.
worth doing.
Lex, what's your rating out of 10 for pecel lele?
For this, for the surprise and how nice it is, I'd give it a 9.
9. I was going to say the exact same. 9 out of 10 for pecel lele.
Definitely a 9. No, this was like actually really shocking to me. I was so freaked out by it.
This is rawon, and straight away you can smell the earthy aroma from the kalawak nut.
This smells like Indonesia.
Let's put some rawon into our plate. That is a very generous amount of beef. And look at the size of these beef chunks. Huge.
Very generous.
Ayo.
Okay, I'm gonna go for minimal amount of rice. Ayo makan.
It
It
does.
feels like I am in Madura right now. Could you compare this to any dish you've had outside of Indonesia, perhaps?
A beef stew in England, it gives that vibe, but it's still distinctly Indonesian, which I like about it.
I was complaining there's not enough spice in it, but I'm gonna have a little chili.
Oh.
Okay, I'll try it.
I do have some lemongrass.
That just boosted it up from an 8 to a 9 out of 10.
I'd give it a solid 8.5 as well, because for me it just is so reminiscent of Indonesia. It's warming, it's so different to what you can find in London, and it's good. It's just all around good, so an 8.5.
And this, guys, this is, well, Lexi, this is kubuk. Do you want to try a tiny bit?
Oh, yeah.
There you go, have a piece of kubuk. So it's huge.
I don't think I ever saw something like this before.
Cocok
Never
lah,
found this in
kerupuk
Bali.
ya kan.
Oh, listen to that crack.
Yeah, that sounded really cool. Ooh. It's like mini, like the things that you pop.
Yeah, it's like really hard, but it's gone all soft all of a sudden. It is
It's really slimy.
With a kubuk as well, big enak from me.
Enak.
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 Itulah. Hebat. Memang kalau udah merasakan cita rasa Indonesia itu, apapun bisa terbayangkan dengan kenikmatan. Karena bukan hanya membayangkan, tapi langsung menikmati gitu loh. Makan Indonesia penuh dengan rasa-rasa yang nikmat, karena penuh dengan rempah-rempah dan cita rasanya sangat enak gitu loh. Makanya vlogger-vlogger dari luar negeri itu mereka menyukai makanan-makanan Indonesia. Selain juga vlogger, banyak orang Indonesia yang menikah dengan orang-orang barat gitu loh, bule, Korea, China gitu. Mereka semua menyukai rata-rata. Habis itu juga masak untuk suaminya. Jadi mereka merasakan masakan Indonesia tuh nikmat gitu loh. Jadi semakin terkenal untuk makan-makanan Indonesia, sehingga semakin vlogger-vlogger juga mereka memperkenalkan dengan makanan-makanan Indonesia ke dunia, maka Indonesia akan terkenal gitu. Dan wisatawan akan semakin datang seperti biasa. Mudah-mudahan Indonesia akan semakin maju, banyak wisatawan yang datang, ekonomi berjalan dengan baik. Pokoknya best lah, majulah Indonesia. Harapannya masyarakat Indonesia akan menjadi rakyat yang makmur dan tentram. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.